Hi everyone, here's a recap of Wednesday evening ESOL week 10. This class took place on the 1st of July 2020. So first of all, we revised some of the vocabulary that we learned last week. So everybody looked at these different jobs and we formed sentences to describe what each person would do in their job. This week, we had a new topic. We were looking at comparatives and superlatives. So we use comparatives and superlatives to compare nouns. Comparative adjectives are used to compare differences between two objects. Thai food is spicier than British food. He is taller than her. You can see here that you need the noun plus a verb plus an adjective plus than plus a noun. Superlative adjectives are used to describe an object which is at the top or bottom limit of measurement. So the most, something which is the most popular, the spiciest, the tallest. Here, you need to remember to put the before the adjective. Thai food is the spiciest in the world. He is the tallest man in the class. So we looked at how to form comparative and superlative adjectives. So for one syllable words, so words that have one sound, old, long, nice, large, we add er to make a comparative adjective. He is older than her. My brother is older than me. Then we add est for the superlative adjective to say the most. He is the oldest in the family. There are a few more spelling rules that you need to be aware of. These are all on the slide. So for adjectives that have more than one syllable, so 2, 3 or 4 or more, you need to use more or most. You can see the example here. I am careful. I am more careful than you. I am the most careful person here. The class was interesting. It was more interesting this week. It is the most interesting class I've had. And then a few adjectives, so good, bad, and far, have irregular comparatives and superlatives. So you say good, better, or best. Bad, worse, or worst. So then we use these rules to create this table of adjectives, comparative and superlative adjectives. And then we had a little quiz on the class. It turned out that the students knew each other very well. We completed some sentences to practice using these in a bit more detail. And then we did a listening activity where someone called Penny described her favourite country. You can see the full transcript of the listening here. Then each student described their favourite country using comparative or superlative adjectives. And finally, we had a quiz. Thanks for listening, everyone. See you next week.